Hello, everybody. What is going on? Sean here from Zero to Income. And today we are going to go through and show you how to do a limited time offer using a countdown timer in system.io. How's that for a mouthful? Yeah. I'm not going to say that 10 times fast. What exactly am I talking about here? Let's go over real quick, and I'm going to show you using an actual zero to income product page, a checkout page. I'll show you what I'm talking about. So let's go on over here and let's log in to our leveraging ChatGPT and everyday business landing page. All right. And let's just say we go ahead and read through the whole thing and we're ready to sign up. So you just go ahead and click on start learning now. All right. So what you're going to notice here when you log into the purchase page is it's a discounted purchase. All right. Right here, limited time offer. Purchase within the next 15 minutes and save 62%. Notice here we have a countdown timer and it's currently going. And it's remembering the last time that I pulled it up. And then what's going to happen when this timer runs out, if they haven't gone through and filled all this out and made their purchase in 15 minutes, this page goes away. They won't be able to get to this page anymore. It's going to go to the regular price page where it'll be $39.97 right here. It shows it's crossed out. So when this timer goes down, it's set to now move them to the page where it's regularly priced. And it's a way of creating urgency. It's to let them know, hey, if you'd like to buy this, cool. Purchase this in 15 minutes, you can get it at this price. And if you don't want to grab it in 15 minutes, that's okay too. It's still going to be available at $39.97. Who's not going to want to go ahead and purchase it and get it for 62% off, right? So how do we do this? So let's move over to my testing site. I'm going to walk you through how to do this step by step. Are you ready? All right, let's go check this out. All right, so now we are in the back end of the Tech Gremlin Warriors System.io account. We're looking at the funnel list and we're looking at, in particular, the Tech Gremlin Warrior free System.io course. And right now we're on the order form page here. Now, what we want to do is we want to create two order form pages, okay? One is going to have that discounted price and the countdown timer. And after the countdown timer goes away, then they're going to have to, they'll be directed to go back to the full price page. And that's why we need two pages. All right. So right now we've got our regular price page here. I'm going to click on it and say duplicate. Sure. Let's see if this works. It does. All right. So I think what I want to do is move this one down to here. Doesn't really matter, but I want to go ahead and have this kind of have it in order of the funnel. So here we're going to do Tech Development Academy special price. Okay. And then what we're going to call this is Tech Development TGA dash special. Okay. And we're done. So now what we want to do is let's go ahead and create the actual price for it and everything. So that's ready to go. We're going to call this a digital product. Okay. And we're going to go in here and we'll click on add. Digital product name is going to be, now I could use the one that's existing already, but it's already priced at this right here. That's the regular priced one. So we want a discounted price one. So we're going to click on digital product, click on that, and call it Tech Gremlin Academy Special. Resources, what are they going to have access to? If you were doing something like coaching, or maybe you're doing weekly Zoom calls and you're going to give that to them, then you could kind of skip this resources and still give them a price plan. So if it doesn't have to be something that's in your account in order to do a digital product, just in case you were wondering about that. But we're going to give them access to a course. And while we're here, we're going to call we're going to grab the Tech Gremlin Academy course, which is already in my courses, and then access type. We're giving them full access, and these we're just going to leave default. Now what we need to do is do a price plan. Click on pricing. And then if we click on this, that's the regular price. And we don't want to give them the regular price. We want to give them the discounted price. So we'll go out of that and we're going to click on create a new one. Name, Tech Gremlin Academy Special. So this is what's going to be on their order form. All right. So here, this is for us. So I like to do something like Tech Gremlin. Now you could do special again. I think that would actually work here. Look at that. Typo. Typo. All right, got it. Tech Gremlin Academy, and we could do special, or we could also do 1497. Okay. And again, this is what's going to show up on our dashboard. Descriptor, again, this is what's going to show up on their customer statement, on their bank statement. So TGA special. One-time payment, and this is going to be $14.97. And we're going to click on save. Okay, so now we have this dialed in on the back end. Now we get to go and create all that information on the front end. Okay, so let's go ahead and we'll click on edit page. Okay, so now we're in the page and we're going to be adding some components here that are not in the original full priced page. All right, obviously we're going to need that countdown timer. We might put in, again, some verbiage in here to let them know that this is a limited time offer. So I think the very first thing that we're going to do is right up in here, we're going to do just some text, actually a headline text, and I want to put it right above the contact information. And then we'll go something like, looking at my copy over here, limited time offer, something like that. And then we're going to click out of that and we're going to add some other text underneath that. And we'll say, here, let me just see if I can. No, I can't. That's an image that I'm looking at right now. Go over here, take this out, and it'll be purchase within the next, how about 30 minutes? We'll do 30 minutes on this. We're not going to test it, and save. I don't think it's 62% off. It's a lot more than that, actually. 62% comes out to like 17%, but we're just going to say save. Let's do our math here real quick. Pop our calculator open. 49.97 minus 14.97, $35. Oh, come on now. $35. Special price and $14.97. Regular price, regularly. Let's just do regular. $49.97. Okay. Now what we're going to do is we're going to pop that countdown timer in. So over here on the far left, in your editor, you'll scroll all the way down. And in your editor over here on the left, you'll scroll down and you're going to look for your countdown timer. And where is it? Right down at the very bottom. Going to pop that in right underneath. Okay. And that's a little scrunched. I'm going to click in the margin here. I'm going to add probably 15 pixels above. Probably do the same thing on the bottom. Just do 15. There we go. Don't think I like this red. We're going to do something like that. No. Don't know if I like that either. What's this look like? I want it to be something that's gonna definitely show up. So I think that's okay. And then here, label color. Let's try that. That works. All right. Definitely want the font to be a little bit tall or a little bit bigger here. Want them to see just how much time they've got. And same thing on the text font size. Sure. Something like that. All right. Now what we're going to do is drop this down to a delay. And our delay, we said, is going to be 30 minutes. Right? Take that down, and we'll pop in 3, 0. All right, that's good. I think what I'm going to do here, change this, and we'll make this darker as well, except it didn't work. Let's highlight it again. It's interesting. It still doesn't seem like it's changing that at all. There we go. Just did not want to take for some reason. It didn't look like it was taken. So purchase within the next 30 minutes, save $35. Special price, $14.97. And again, you could go in here and doctor all this up if you wanted to. We don't really need to go too crazy with all of this. I do think we're going to go ahead and do bold. Just bold. So that needs to be black as well. It's not. Okay. All right. So now the question is, what do we want this to do when this timer gets down to 0? All right. So we go into our timer. We go over to what happens when the timer expires. We're going to redirect to a URL. So when this goes out, they no longer have access to this page. Instead, they're going to be at the regularly priced page. All right. So we need to go and get that. So I'm going to just go ahead and click on the tab here. And I'm going to do duplicate so I can get a duplicated tab. Would you like to continue from where you left off? No, I'm not going to worry about it. I'm going to go out of that. What I want to do is go down and get this link right here. I'm going to go back in here, paste that link in there. We're going to click on Save Changes. So what's going to happen now is when this counts down to 0, this page, poof, goes away. And if they try to come back to this page, they will go to this page instead, where they can purchase it for $49.97. All right. So that's how you're going to create a limited time offer for a discounted price and use a countdown timer to create some urgency in System.io. Now, if you're wanting to watch more videos on System.io, we have a whole playlist on System.io. Go check it out. Thanks for watching.